Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add and accept friend requests on your Xbox Series X or S. So to do this, press the Xbox button, then scroll on down to the notification area right here and select A. Now, if you have someone who followed you or added you as a friend, it will notify you under this section. So this person right here added me as a friend 19 hours ago. So I can select A on their name. And then I can go to add friend right here and I can add them back. So let's select A on this. And then we have two different options. We have friend. Friend appears on your friends list. You can see them in your activity feed and they see you as a new follower. And then we have favorite. Favorite friends are listed first in your friends list. You'll see when they're online or live stream. And then you do have the option to share your real name with the person. So if you want to go ahead and do that, check mark right there and then go to submit. And then that person will show up under your friends list. So we can tab on over to my friends list and then we can see them under here. Now, another thing that you can do is go on down to recently played with, and then you can find people that you played Call of Duty with or something like that. And then you can choose their name and then simply go back to add friend. And then we can back out and we can go to find someone. So if we're trying to look someone up, we can go to this section and then enter in their name. So let's enter in Timbo or something like that. So let's go to Timmy and see if someone pops up. And it looks like I already have a friend named Timmy. But we can go to someone's name now. Select it, go to add friends. So it's really easy to add and accept a friend request on your Xbox Series X. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.